This is a short video that will cover standardized paging and personalizing of list pages. I will demonstrate how this functionality used to work on an old PPO instance represented by this blue and yellow color. And I will also be showing you how it works on a new version of PPO, which will be represented by this bright blue and green color. For all list pages where the number of records exceeds the number of items set for that list page size under your personal settings, paging is shown on the page header. So in this example, I'm currently on a task list and I can see the different pages listed next to the header. Paging has now been moved to be in line with your action buttons. It highlights the page number in view more prominently and includes the previous and the next buttons for easier navigation. The next change is the gear icon. This is currently displayed below the filter bar on any list page. This has now been moved to be in line with the header. In addition to this change, list page sizes are no longer a personal preference setting and can now be customized per list page using the gear icon. As an example, if I click on the gear icon, I can now choose to set my page size per page. So I'm going to apply the size to be 20 on my task list. And if I go through to the issues, you will see that it has its own list size setting. So I can do the same and apply a different page size for my issues, and this will work similar to the other list pages. You will also notice that we have increased the maximum size to 200 records per page, where previously we could only set it to 100. Currently on PPO, you can use the gear icon to select the fields you want displayed on your list page, but the order of these fields will always be the same for all the users, and you cannot change the sort order. You can now manage column selection, deselection, and the order of these columns making use of the drag and drop functionality. If I wanted to add the responsibility field to my task list page, I can easily do that and also change the sort order of where it should appear on my list. So each user will now be able to customize their list pages according to their own preferences. And the best part about this is that PPO will always remember your preferences. If you would like to reset the view to go back to what it was prior to you making the changes, you simply click on there and select Restore to Defaults. Thank you.